At 2:17 a.m., he was still scrolling. Endless faces, perfect lives, fake smiles, one after another, faster and faster. His thumb didn't stop, but his mind did. Suddenly, a strange thought hit him. What if I just disappear from all of this? The next morning, he did something unexpected. He deleted every social media app. No Instagram, no TikTok, no notifications. At first, it felt uncomfortable, almost empty. He kept unlocking his phone again and again, expecting something, but there was nothing, just silence. Days passed, and that silence slowly changed him. Without constant scrolling, he stopped comparing his life to others. No more feeling behind, no more chasing likes or validation. Instead, he started noticing things he had ignored for so long, his own thoughts. He began to focus better, think deeper, and actually enjoy small moments. Psychology explains this simply. When you remove constant dopamine hits from social media, your brain resets. You stop depending on external approval and start building real self-control and confidence from within. Meanwhile, everyone else kept scrolling, chasing attention, trying to be seen, but he was different now. While the world was busy performing, he was finally living. And that's the twist. People who don't use social media aren't disconnected from reality. They're more connected to it than ever. So maybe they're not missing out. Maybe they're the only ones who truly escaped.